Good evening everyone, this is by-DEGALA-BALAJI. Welcome back to my channel DB Stocks. Let us discuss what is going to be happening in tomorrow's market about the Sensex. And firstly, let us start with the Bank Nifty rally in the market. Today's rally about the Bank Nifty just because of the RBI announcement that boosts the bank stocks is mainly about making it easier and cheaper for the banks to raise the foreign currency funds. Just because of hedging foreign currency exchange. Because of hedging, foreign exchange risk becomes cheaper and banks can access overseas funds and at overall lower cost, which can improve the profitability and also the lending capacity of the banks. So RBI makes it easier for the banks to borrow the foreign currency from the overseas and also swap it with the RBI at the concessional rates and reducing their hedging costs. It's only about this lowering the funding costs and also the hedging costs. That means banks can borrow the overseas fund at overall lower cost, which can improve the profitability firstly, and also the banks can improve their lending capacity means the borrowing capacity. So this announcement by the RBI boosts the bank stocks and it gives the chances for the investors to invest in the bank stocks confidently. So this is the reason market gives the momentum in the just like a rally. It went up and closes at the top. Now let us see what is going to be happening tomorrow's market about the Sensex. And if you can see the Sensex means Bank Nifty, the bank stocks lead the both Nifty and also the Sensex towards upside and after this fall. So this is what happened in today's market, and also where market opens and closes at the same range. Yesterday also where market opens it closes near to this range. And also if you can see this in daytime frame means it's a hammer candle and also the shooting star candle formed in the market. So till the breakdown of the 73,500 and 74,000 round level, we don't need to expect any momentum in the market. If market opens gap down and if it opens within this range means we can expect only the sideways momentum or volatile momentum in this range. Till the breakout of this range and breakdown of this range, we don't need to expect any momentum. And also I have mentioned previously that if market opens directly gap down means I don't want to go for any selling momentum without any confirmation, and I expect market again will reaches to this range, again it fills this gap, almost fills this gap, and after filling itself only market will move towards downside. If tomorrow market opens gap down opening means after the breakdown of this range slow and steadily 73,500, how I will plan my trade for tomorrow means if market opens gap down means after the first 5 minutes candle breakdown itself only I will plan accordingly, or otherwise after the first 5 minutes candle breakdown again the market, if market reaches to this 50% level, after reaching this range I will go for the sell entry if it downside, or if it upside also. After the green color candle again if it comes downside I will place the 50% itself, I will place the order and I will keep the stop loss at the candle low. If it downside only I will plan for selling. Why? Because market is showing some negative impact. That means it's showing some negative impact just because of this Nasdaq. US markets is showing the behaving negatively. So tomorrow also I can expect some gap down opening. See here, Gift Nifty also is trading at the almost 23,200. I mean 130 points. There is change in the market. Let us see how the market and crude oil and Brent closes based on the momentum. Crude oil is giving the negative result. It is the positive news for our companies. And Brent, let us see how the Brent is moving. Brent is also giving the negative, but US market also behaving in the negative way. So based on the opening, let us see how the market, how the Gift Nifty will open tomorrow. Based on that we can expect, and I will plan accordingly after the breakout and breakdown itself. If it opens gap down below this range after the first 5 minutes candle breakdown, I will go for entry and I will keep the stop loss at the high. And already I have mentioned that if it comes to this 50% level, and I will plan here, I will enter here, and after that breakdown I will add some quantity to the position, and based on the breakdown of this low 73,500. After opening, suppose somewhere around, if it opens 73,700 or 600 range, means after the breakdown of this 73,500, I will plan aggressively, and after the retest, within the retest also I will hold the position confidently. And let me explain again. See here, this is the 74,000, almost near to this. Suppose if market opens some 400 or 600 points gap down opening, if market opens somewhere near to this, mean near to this 73,600 or 700 range, after the first 5 minutes candle red candle formation, again we can expect some 50% retracement level, some retracement to this point. After within this retracement, I will enter into the market with small quantity, and after the breakdown of this first 5 minutes candle, I will add the quantity, and after the breakdown of this low, this range low, I will add some more quantity to the point, and after if it retests, it's okay, I will wait in the position. If it not retest, and if it closes again, market closes inside this range, means I will exit the position and I will book the profit. Or if market within this 5 minutes candle itself, if market closes above this range, means I will hit the stop loss. And that's what my plan for tomorrow. Only one trade I would like to plan. Why? Because the market is in the range. Till the breakout and breakdown, we don't need to expect any momentum. Thank you, and this is my view.